Welcome to TVS Auralis. This is where your story unfolds beautifully. We are here right next to REVA College at Thanisandra Main Road. This project is in 4 acres. It's a pre-launch. The structure is basement, ground and 12 floors. In a city that never stops moving, there exists a place just for you. Welcome to the next chapter. Welcome to TVS Aurelia at Thanisandra Main Road. Retreat to the master suite that exactly knows what you need: space, silence and serenity. This master suite comes with an attached party deck which is almost 10 by 5. Comes with a room size of 15 by 12 and an attached toilet which is 5 by 8. A balcony which is just not to extend your home, to expand your lifestyle. A morning cup of coffee with skyline views and evening bathed with sunlight. A spacious balcony just for not looking for living. The second bedroom, which has been converted to kids' bedroom, is 12 by 6 by 11 by 6. This can be also used by young couples as it's quite spacious, has good storage space, also has a place for study and has an attached toilet with it. This is the third bedroom of your house. This is the guest bedroom. It's 10 by 13 in size, has good amount of storage space, has a window which is 6 by 5 feet and has ample amount of space for walking. This utility space is of 8 by 4 by 5. As you walk into the kitchen, it's 8 by 6 by 12. You can design a double-side kitchen with a separate space for refrigerator and lot of cabinets for storage can be accommodated. A living area is a common space where you can relax, socialize and entertain guests. Here we have a living area of 21 by 12 in size. This dining area is of 10 by 3 by 4 by 9. It's quite spacious and it is designed for your comfort. Right behind you have a crockery storage which is quite accessible, and right near the dining area you have a powder room. TVS Emerald Auralis brings a complete lifestyle ecosystem with thoughtfully curated amenities. Clubhouse has indoor games arena, multi-purpose party hall, co-working and reading lounge, yoga and meditation space, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, landscape gardens and green zones. The location advantage: adjacent to REVA University, Bangalore Road, 15 minutes to Manyata Tech Park, Hebbal and Outer Ring Road, close to schools, hospitals, shopping malls, upcoming metro connectivity, high appreciation potential with growing demand. The Bangalore Cross metro station is just 7 minutes away. Nagwara metro station is 17 minutes away. Jakur Cross metro station would be 20 minutes and Hebbal metro station also would be 20 minutes away. Why to invest here? Strong brand trust, backed by TVS Group, low density layouts, 6 blocks, 12 floors, more open space, pre-launch pricing, attractive entry point starting at 1 crore 14 lakhs, appreciation potential, emerging hub with strong rental yield, RERA approved property. This project right now is at a pre-launch stage. To get the best price, reach us out before Sunday for exciting pre-launch benefits.
For more details, kindly reach out to given below number or www.homznspace.com.